Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. It has been a while and I wanted to share the making of a recycled portfolio. I will be holding a whole bunch of scrap stuff that I have made, jelly prints, anything that I make that I need to be off my table. So the previous section that I did show you was the packaging that I used. It is all Amazon packaging, as you can tell. You can see it through the paint. I use 3 sizes. This one is about, I think it's about 12 inches. It's about 12 inches in height. And when you close it up, it is about, it's about 8 inches in width. So like I said, 3 different packages of 3 sizes of Amazon packages, and this one is a manila type envelope. Okay, so all I did was wrap it with wrapping paper. It's a really pretty wrapping bee paper, and I painted the inside with just acrylic paint colors that I like. And I didn't really take care to cover up the printing, because again, I'm just recycling it just to use it to hold stuff that I make, or just stuff that I want to keep off my table and not be sitting and taking up space. So I like how it turned out. I did sew all around it. Before I bound it, I sewed all around it. So if you see it, when you're looking at it like this, after it's been wrapped, all I did was sew all around it. And I did cut off the ends. So this is the end right here. And then this is the end right here of the first one. And then the second one, same thing. I cut off both ends. And then I sewed all around. And then this is the envelope. This one, I just left the clasp in there. And then opened up this side. Okay. And then, like I said, I got the acrylic paint and painted all around. And then I did use embroidery floss for the binding. And what I did, I didn't have enough of the black embroidery floss. So what I did was I poked 2 holes and I did one side, one end first. And then I went with the other leftover thread and I bound these 2 holes right there. And then what I did, I just ended up matching up the middle hole when I came up inside. That's why you see a lot of thread. But again, this is not to be showing off or anything. It's just for me to hold stuff. So that's why it does look a little bit messy and not perfect, which it was never meant to be perfect. And then I did get some buttons. I didn't have enough of the same buttons, so I used 2 buttons here, keeping with the blue theme. And then I did thread it through the inside. I'm not sure how long it'll hold. As you can see the thread right there. And then I got a second button and I threaded there. Again, I don't know how long it will hold. Wear and tear, I'm pretty sure they're gonna fall off because it is just paper. So how I intend to use it is that I do a lot of jelly printing. See, as you can tell, this one's ugly. But I do a lot of jelly printing, and it ends up sitting on my desk until I decide to use it. So I have a lot of scraps here that I have done, and so I just want to make sure that it just doesn't sit on my desk, because then I don't have space and I'm continually having to be moving everything around. So I plan on using this recycled portfolio to hold this kind of stuff. So again, it's just going to depend on how much will fit here. Okay, so that's one section right there. And then I also, I'm a teacher, so I've been on summer vacation for a couple of days now. So I've been trying to use up all my envelopes that I have been saving all this time. And I have a lot of them. And what I did was that I printed a lot of paper. Not printed, I'm sorry. I painted a lot of paper with acrylic paint. Just kind of did a wash on them with all the colors that I like. And then I started creating envelopes. Not envelopes, I'm sorry. Started creating pockets. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place with my words. And then I went and sewed most of them. So these will be ready for whenever I need them. So this is what I plan on using this for. Anything that I create that I can just throw in, because I just have a lot of stuff on my table. So if I can tuck it in somewhere to use later, I will. So there you go. So this is, again, I'll have a lot of pockets here. I'll have smaller pockets, and I'll have bigger pockets to be able to tuck stuff in. So this one this one is already crammed. So again, it probably will not hold. As you can tell, it's already all fat. It will not be able to hold a lot of stuff, but it will do what I'm intending it to do, which is just to get stuff out of sight off my table, my crafting table, and be able to work in there when I come in to do my projects. So there you go. I think it looks good. It's nice and fat and chunky. And I was able to use the wrapping paper that I bought a couple of months back that I haven't had a use for. And that's what for me this summer will be about, is just trying to use up my time to do a little bit of crafting whenever I'm not spending time with family or cleaning house or doing everything else that a mom has to do over the summer. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching something that you can use to recycle around the house, and to be used as something functional. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.